If you watched my OpenClaw videos, you know the setup. An open source AI agent that runs on your computer 24/7, takes orders from Telegram, does real work while you sleep. Thousands of you set it up, and now a lot of you are asking me about something new. It is called Hermes Agent, built by News Research, launched February 2026, hit 140,000 GitHub stars in 3 months. As of this week, the most used AI agent in the world according to OpenRouter. Today, what Hermes is, what makes it genuinely different from OpenClaw, the features that are changing how people use AI agents, and the honest answer to whether you should switch. I am Mario, this is AI Alpha, let us get into it. Hermes Agent is an open source autonomous AI agent, like OpenClaw. Runs on your computer, connects to messaging apps, completes tasks. One curl command installs everything automatically. No dependencies to manage. No config files. Hermes sets itself up. Runs on Linux, macOS, and WSL2 on Windows. 20 platforms: Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, iMessage, WeChat, Teams, and more. Model agnostic. Cloud, GPT 5.5, Grok, Gemini, or any local Ollama model. All data stays on your machine. MIT license, completely free. The one thing that makes Hermes genuinely different from every other agent. Most agents, including OpenClaw, have memory. They remember facts you tell them, but they do not learn from how they work. Every time you run the same workflow, the agent approaches it the same way. Never gets faster, never gets better, never adapts. Hermes has a built-in learning loop. After every session, Hermes reviews what it did, identifies the steps that worked, writes them as a reusable skill. Next time you ask for something similar, it uses that skill automatically. No re-explaining, no repeating yourself. It already knows how you like things done. On top of that, an autonomous curator runs every 7 days. It reviews your entire skill library, grades each skill, prunes the ones you never use, merges the ones that overlap. Your agent maintains its own knowledge base and keeps it clean. The tagline: the agent that grows with you. That is the architecture. The /goal feature: goals that persist across sessions. Most agents, you give tasks one at a time. Agent completes a task and waits for the next instruction. /goal changes this. You give Hermes a goal, something bigger, like build my content calendar for next month. Refactor this entire code base to use the new payment API. Find 50 influencers and draft outreach emails for all of them. Hermes breaks the goal into sub-goals, assigns them, executes in sequence, adjusts when something does not work, stays locked on the target across sessions, not just the current one, picks the goal back up the next time it runs. For longer horizon work, /goal turns Hermes into something closer to a junior employee than a task executor. What it can do, the full picture: web, search, extract pages, browse, interact, screenshot, X search built in. Files and code: read, write, execute. Full coding agent works as a backend for codecs, either client and continue via local proxy. Vision and media, image analysis, image generation, native video generation, TTTS and STTT. Integrations, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Full Notion, Spotify, Google, Meet, trading on Hyperliquid, and Yahoo Finance for live market data. Community skills from Hugging Face wired in by default. Browse and install from your Hermes interface without extra config. Hermes versus OpenClaw. The honest comparison, where Hermes wins. The learning loop gets better every session. OpenClaw does not. Release velocity, major version every 7 to 10 days, 20 platforms, native video gen, Windows native beta, /goal for multi-session long horizon work. Install simplicity, just one command, no prerequisites. Where OpenClaw still wins, the heartbeat, more mature and better documented. Skills marketplace. Claw Hub has 13,000 plus skills. Hermes growing but smaller. Beginner experience, more tutorials, more guides, more established community. Who should switch? Developer who wants the most capable agent and comfortable with rougher setup, try Hermes. Non-developer who set up OpenClaw from my tutorial and it works well, stay with OpenClaw. Want to run both? You can. They do not conflict. Some power users run OpenClaw for daily heartbeat tasks and Hermes for goal projects. How to install? Just one command. Open your terminal, Mac, Linux, or WSL2 on Windows and run this command on the screen. And you find it also in the description and the pinned comment. Hermes installs everything it needs automatically. Then run Hermes. It walks you through connecting your first AI provider and messaging platform. Documentation and skill browser. Hermes-agent.org. Current version V014.0. Released May 16th. Hermes Agent. Free. Open source. Most used AI agent in the world right now. The learning loop that makes it smarter every session. /goal for multi-session long horizon work. 20 platforms, 400 plus models, one install command. Not a replacement for OpenClaw for every use case, but the most interesting new agent framework of 2026. Worth having in your toolkit. Are you using OpenClaw or Hermes right now? And what made you choose it? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Plain English AI every single day. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more videos every single day. See you in the next one.